Dublin busker Tilly Cripwell has started a campaign to leave Molly Malone. So it's about this tradition. The statue, in case you don't know, of Molly Malone is on Suffolk Street in Dublin. Used to be on Grafton Street, was moved during Lewis Works, has stayed on Suffolk Street. It's kind of a starting and ending point for lots of walking tours around Dublin. And you may or may not be aware there is a tradition, apparently, of groping the breast of Molly Malone, the Molly Malone
kind of
statue.
rubbing them, I would have said.
Yeah, rubbing them. It's a good look gesture. And if you actually see the statue, you will see her breasts are discoloured from all the rubbing, basically. And Tilly thinks this is a bad idea and has started a campaign to leave Molly Malone. What do you think?
I don't care about it. As in, I would rub Molly Malone's breasts myself. I wouldn't think anything of. And I've rubbed other statues in other cities. I mean, in Florence, there's a very, very famous similar bronze statue. It's of a cingale, which is a boar, and it has kind of little tusks and stuff. And people, when you go to Florence, you rub the cingale's nose. And so he has a really golden, shiny nose, and the rest of him is brown. A bit like Molly Malone's. Her boobs are gold, and the rest of her is kind of dark brown. And it's just one of those things you do. And I don't think, like, here's the thing: it's not real. She's not real. Like, she's a statue. So it's not like people are coming in and just
Here's also the thing, though, Ciara. It's actually not good look. It's nonsense.
You don't know that, Shane.
I do know that.
You don't know
Sorry,
that.
I actually think it's weird. I think it's weird.
Would you rub the cingale's nose?
Sorry, there's a huge difference between rubbing a nose and rubbing a breast.
A bronze statue.
We're talking about groping. Whether it's a statue or not, we're talking about groping breasts. I walked past the other day.
See, that's the thing.
I walked past the other day, and it was actually a woman doing it. I just thought, that is absolutely bonkers. That is weird.
Really?
I think it's
if they rubbed her head or something, would you be fine? She's got very prominent boobs.
She does.
She does.
Yeah. I rubbing the head. I mean,
you said you'd never noticed they were golden before because you only looked at her face.
Well, exactly. I didn't look that
and
closely.
I don't believe you.
But I just think it's the oddest thing. I do think it's kind of weird.
I think we're overthinking this, and I think we're taking something, and we do this all the time.
Why would you grope her breasts?
Not, I've actually never touched them, but I'm going to go down after the show and give them a rub. I don't think.
But let's face it, it is a grope.
It's a kind of a rub, and also here's the thing: first of all, she's a fictitious character, but second of all, it's a statue. It's not a woman. People rub bits of David, and I won't say, like, people rub, I'm probably not allowed to touch David. People rub statues for look.
There's a reason why they rub the breasts.
It's because they're prominent.
No, it's not just because they're prominent. It's because they're her breasts.
Yeah, but it's harmless.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it kind of. I actually do. I think that's what we've become in the modern era. We kind of go, oh, this is a disgrace, when actually it's nothing at all. And also, we're
just odd, I think.
Kind of going from A to B with, like, sort of saying, well, then now that means we're rubbing all women's breasts, or we're demeaning women, or we're assaulting people. We're not doing any of those things. It's a statue. I've rubbed the boar's nose in Florence. I'm going to rub.
You've said that. You've said that, but I still think it's weird.
Difference.
I think it's weird rubbing the breasts of a statue.
Nice.
No comment. Anyway, what are we asking people, Ciara?
What do you think of this campaign? Should we stop rubbing Molly Malone's boobs? I'm saying no. I think we should.
We're going to talk to Tilly Cripwell a little bit later.